Former India skipper Virat Kohli has not been having the best of times lately. Be it on the field or off the field, problems seem to be mounting for the former India skipper. Kohli started the ongoing edition of the Border Gavaskar Trophy in some style by scoring a thumping ton against the Australian cricket team. But right after the Perth Test match, Kohli has failed to put bat to ball consistently, and this has gotten all sorts of fans and experts talking about his future. After the culmination of the Gabba Test match, which ended in a draw, Kohli had a heated exchange with an Australian journalist who was trying to click pictures of his children. The Australian media criticized the former India skipper for his conduct, and this means that the Border Gavaskar Trophy will potentially spice up even more. Unfortunately for Kohli though, he also finds himself embroiled in a legal battle as the Bengaluru civic body has issued a notice against a Virat Kohli co-owned restaurant for fire safety violations. Ahead of the crucial India vs Australia Boxing Day Test match that will be played at the mighty Melbourne Cricket Ground, Kohli finds himself in a fresh new problem. The former India skipper's co-owned restaurant that is located near the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru has been accused of violating fire safety norms. The restaurant reportedly has been functioning without getting the mandatory clearances, including a No Objection Certificate or an NOC from the fire department. The Bengaluru civic body has issued a notice against Kohli's co-owned restaurant on a complaint that was alleging fire safety violations. The Bengaluru civic body issued a notice after a social activist named Venkatesh filed a complaint citing reasons related to the lack of fire safety measures. The ongoing edition of the Border Gavaskar Trophy is in many ways being considered as Virat Kohli's last tour to Australia. After Ravichandran Ashwin's retirement, the floodgates of trouble seem to have opened for Team India's other seniors. This is because after the 3-0 drubbing against New Zealand in a home series, the futures of India's seniors, who are their biggest match winners, have already been under the scanner. But the Australian tour has also not been going too well for the likes of Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma either. Let's not forget that the ongoing World Test Championship cycle ends next year in June, and India will then lock horns with England in an away tour. But if things don't take a positive turn for both Kohli and Rohit soon, they might very well find themselves being phased out of the Indian team while keeping the future in mind.